go to tank 1, you want to clean the steel.
Yeah.
Per. Go to tank 1, go put it in the steel. Steel is steam.
Yeah.
To clean the perk. Go to the steam, steel.
Yeah.
When the steel is boiling, the clean perk coming to tank 2, you can transfer from tank 2 to tank 1.
Yeah.
And dirty one, open the steel, open this one to take it out. Here.
How you open that?
Here.
Okay.
The door must be open.
Yeah.
You put here. The dirty one here.
Yeah.
This is a dirty perk.
Okay.
Open. You will take it
Yeah.
and put it there.
Every couple of months you do that?
Every month.
Every month.
But how many time machine a week working? That's the important.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
And you can see inside. You can see from inside how your machine.
So you just
gear is
open it
there.
and clean it and close it. Yeah?
Close it. You put dirty one
Yeah.
in here. After close it, the button off. My machine is running.
Which button off?
This one. Any door you want to open and close, this one.
Okay.
This one for everything. For here, for the back.
Yeah.
For here, for here, for here,
All,
and for the steel.
all the machine doors.
Yeah.
That one.
If you're not putting that one, this one doesn't open. This one doesn't,
Doesn't
open.
open.
This,
This
one
one
doesn't
doesn't
open.
open. Yeah. No. Yeah.
And open the door must be the compressor on. Air. Air need to open the door.
Okay. Yeah.
And should be air, this one up.
Yeah. No, it's up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's up. You can see. If not up, door doesn't open.
Another open. Yeah.
I'll show you.